You can sort your elements by using the sort method. For example, let's just put a new list here. Let's say our list, let's say my list equals to, let's put numbers here. Let's put like 1 2 3 4 5. I'm so crazy. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, we can also put like a negative number. We can put say a negative number. We can put -5. We can put -5, I mean. And then if you want to sort these numbers, just sort, and let's print our list. You can see our list is sorted correctly. Okay, yeah, you can also use the sorted method. For example, and say item equals to sorted, then my list. Okay, then if we print the item now, we should have the same answer.